Good afternoon, everyone. Now, the topic which we are discussing today is commercial pattern development. Development of commercial pattern. Commercial pattern were first made in USA in the 1815 by Ebenezer Bitter, of who was a tailor. In the beginning, they were crude pattern in rough paper for simple demonstration only. The first pattern was of men's and boys clothing pattern for women and children were also developed later and became available commercially. You may have seen fashion magazines like Hogus, McCall's, Pictorial, Simplicity, etc., and their pattern books. Commercial patterns are usually done by on tissue paper. Since tissue paper is not bulky, it allows many pieces of pattern to be packed completely in an envelope. In commercial patterns, seam allowances are included for safety. Pattern of established companies are usually printed and marked clearly with straight grain line, seam line, cutting line, darts, center line, and all the necessary construction details. Good patterns are carefully labeled with the following information: the pattern size, name of the each pattern, number of pieces to cut each pattern pieces, etc. In addition, some companies provided instruction sheet explaining the step involved in using the pattern to cut out the garment, transferring pattern markings, and construction the garments. In India, there are very few concern making paper pattern, probably because there is not much demand for them. Unlike in foreign countries, we have the facilities to get our clothes customs tailored at fairly responsible rates. For women who know a little bit of tailoring, prefer to make their own pattern rather than buying expensive ready-made patterns. They may be another reason for the lack of demand for commercial pattern. Selection of commercial pattern. Pattern for women and children's garments are usually sized according to bust measurement. Pants and skirts are sized according to waist, hip, and length measurement. Hence, before selecting the pattern, you should take your body measurement accurately and buy the correct size. The measurements listed on the pattern envelope are the actual body measurements. The pattern pieces will be show what larger, since the center amount of essay allowances in included. The amount of essay will vary with the manufacturers and garment designs. What is commercial pattern? Commercial patterns are commercial pattern are full scale tissue paper clothing patterns used by the homeswear to create garments and accessories. What are the advantages of commercial pattern? They make sewing easy to accurate to body measurement. They are made in many different styles and designs. They have instruction sheet which show how to lay out, cut the fabrics, and make up the garments. Each pattern's envelope center for information on the types of equality of fabric needed. Commercial patterns development merits and demerits. Merits. Reputed companies standardize their pattern after doing a lot of research and trying out the fit on models. If your measurements have the same proportions as for the standard size figure, it would be simply to buy a commercial pattern than to draft one yourself. So the commercial pattern save your time and for of foil. It may even given a better fit than a homemade pattern if you are inexperienced. Demerits: commercial patterns are expensive. Secondly, patterns for different types of garments are not rapidly available in India, and good patterns are especially hard to get. For people whose measurement does not have the same proportions as the standard figure, commercial patterns do not give fit without pattern some alternation some pattern alternation process are rather complicated and may prove more labor in practice than drafting pattern based on rarely be used more than once unless you copy it on trick paper for further use. uh, how to how do we read commercial pattern? This is commercial pattern. This is the front of pattern envelope will provided you with the following information. uh, First is brand name, pattern number, size in pattern, photo to draw the textile items, view number on or later. This is all types of information they give the front envelope. So I so this is all details information about commercial pattern developments. I will uploaded the notes, all notes of commercial pattern development uh, for today's.